Welcome to NIC, your Enforce Data and Policy Services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to utilize the Client Notes feature, which allows you to capture information on all of your client interactions, including any emails, calls, meetings, and other events. First, navigate to any policy owner profile of your choosing, and then click on the Client Info tab. Next, click on the Notes tab, and here you'll be able to capture any notes for your client meetings, emails, and other communications as well. Click into this text box to start adding your note. Once you're done, click Save, and your note will be created. You can also view the notes history by clicking on this arrow button to view any previously written notes on the client as well. By keeping your client notes on NIC, you now have a single location to manage all of your client information and activity. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.